how are you all? I hope you're all well. I hope you're enjoying, your week today, this week. Oh my goodness, that was a terrible start. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all rocking it. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum, and I also love helping people step into their growth. I just love sharing everything that I learn. And today I want to share with you my 4-step plan to do Facebook Lives. Have you ever wanted to do Facebook Lives? Hey, Denny Hunt. Hello, Great Britain over there. Hello, Great Britain over there. Toodaloo. Cup of tea. I know you're thinking I'm crazy. For those of you who don't know, I just love British people. My husband's Brit as well. And so whenever I see someone from the UK, I just automatically turn on my English accent. I can't help it. I love it so much. But guys, today I want to talk to you. This is a quick live. I want to talk to you about Facebook Live. It is so important because the stats are staggering about Facebook Live. Yes, you know I'm crazy. And so I want to share with you my 4-step simple plan that you can implement today. I mean, how many of you out there want to do Facebook Live and you just don't know how, right? Because you say to yourself, oh, I don't know how to do this. I'm sure there are many of you out there because you know what? I was that way too. And then my mentor, Ray Higdon, taught me this simple plan and I'm going to share it with you. It's so simple. You can, if I can do it, you can do it, right? So guys, grab a pen and paper and I'll share with you this 4-step plan that's literally going to knock your brains out because it's so easy, right? And then I'm going to give you 4 stats to do with Facebook Live, which will absolutely bamboozle you and really propel you into action why you should actually be doing Facebook Live, especially if you're building online. The stats are staggering, right? So it's 4 simple steps. Number 1, right, is you introduce yourself, right? So, hey Haley, how you going? Another Brit. Hello, toodaloo, cup of tea. Just can't help it. So firstly, you introduce yourself, right? So as you saw at the top of the live, I said, hi, my name is Elsa Morgan. So you would say, hi, my name is Haley Netzer. Hi, my name is Denny Hunt. And so you would just basically introduce yourself so people know who you are. Don't automatically assume that everyone will know who you are because obviously on the live, you'll see who's there, but you don't know who's going to watch you on the replay. So that is super important to actually spell out that, hey, my name is, right? Number 2, you've got to create a hook. So you do that with a question. So just about 2 minutes ago, I did say, have you ever wanted to start doing Facebook Lives, but you just don't know how, right? I know the answer to that, right? But I still have to do that because you could be busy running around looking after your kids. You might have me on Facebook Live and you have no idea what I'm actually going to be speaking to you about. But if I create a hook, suddenly you stop chasing your child and you go, oh, hang on a minute. I want to learn about Facebook Live. So a hook is really important. And you do that simply by asking a question. So in this case, I ask, have you ever wanted to do a Facebook Live, but you just don't know how, right? And so that is super important to create that hook. So, for example, if you're in health and wellness and you want to help someone lose weight and your product helps people lose weight, you'd say, hey, have you ever wanted to lose weight, but you just don't know how, right? And then you can say, here, I'm going to share with you 4 tips to be able to, accelerate your weight loss, and like today, I'm going to share 4 tips on how to actually, 4-step plan to actually do a Facebook Live. It's really that simple, right? Then you launch into your content. So now I'm delivering the content to you. I'm sharing with you the 4-step plan of my Facebook Live. The key thing is that you keep it nice and simple and you are very succinct, right? And so you do like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, or number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Be very clear and concise. Because a lot of people are either running around, like I said, after their children. They might be listening to this while they're having their cup of tea. So you don't want to bamboozle them and you don't want to lose them. So keep it nice and simple, clear and concise. Hey, Fipsy, how are you? Now, hang on. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. We've got someone from Germany here. I'm global. I'm all global. You know, hit me with some other stuff. I'll be able to hit me with some other languages. I'm coming up with beauties today. And then the last bit is the call to action. Now, call to action is really important because a lot of people forget this. A lot of people just do the Facebook Live and then they just see you later, bye-bye. But the idea behind Facebook Live is not just to market yourself. It's about creating conversations. It's about giving people the chance or a reason why they should be speaking with you. So by giving them a call to action, so like tonight, I'm going to say, hey, there you go, Guten Morgen. I was right. My husband's family invented that, Morgan. But no, I'm just joking. I'm being silly. So basically the call to action would be like, hey, nothing to do about Facebook Lives, but if you are open to finding out more about this, you know, whatever it is, hop onto my profile, press the message button, send me a message and I'll get the details to you ASAP. It's really that simple. Or if you want to reference exactly the content that you're actually talking about, you're going to say, hey, if you want some more information about blah, 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 about weight loss, about, you know, travel, about whatever it is that you're talking about on the Facebook Live, you know, hop onto, you know, my profile, press the message button, send me a message and I'll get some more information to you. Or I might have 5 extra tips. Right? I might have 5 bonus tips and all you got to do is send me a message. And whilst you're there, if you're in network marketing and have a home business, whilst you're there and someone sends you a message, you can say, hey, I'll send that information to you ASAP, but just curious, are you open to earning some extra income if we showed you step by step? If not, no big deal. I always ask that question. You don't ask, you don't get, right? So that is the way that you would utilize Facebook Live, not just to deliver content, not just to market you and brand you. That's really important and should be part of your marketing strategy if you're building a network marketing business or a home business. But you should also use it to create more conversations, right? And that's super important. So guys, let me wrap up again. So intro, hi, my name is, question, the question must be a hook. Right? So referencing what it is that you're talking about. Have you ever wanted to start doing Facebook Lives, but you just don't know how? That's an example. That's what I used at the top of this live. Number 3, deliver the content. So make sure that you're concise. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 4, keep it nice and simple and be very succinct, right? And then throw in a call to action, which is what I'm about to do right now. So guys, you know, I've been helping lots and lots of people to be able to build their businesses from home and generate some extra income and also create transformations in their lives. If you are at all open to finding out the project that I'm launching on Monday, June 1st, please feel free to hop onto my profile, press the message button and send me a message and I'll put you on my VIP list so that way you'll be the first to know. So guys, I hope that gives you enough of a structure. It's nice and easy, 4 steps, right? Nothing complicated and you can do this today. So I hope that gives you value. Have a great day if you're on the other side of the world. Good evening if you're here in Australia and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.